Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the second video on the Theta Club YouTube channel. A little bit of an update on how the first week of trading on the account went. As I mentioned in the very first video, I'd be giving you guys updates every time that I place a trade. So I did that here today on Thursday. Quickly though, also I'll mention the results from the first week from selling the cash secured put on TNA. I did make $122. I closed the trade today on Thursday with just $2 left in the trade to make. So I just bought it to close it, and then I opened up another one for next Friday, so a week and 1 day out. So the markets rose a lot this week during election time, which a lot of people weren't really expecting. My put ended up making the full amount pretty quickly. I wasn't even expecting it to really rise that much, but either way, I made my full amount, and then I was able to close it a day early and not really miss out on much. So I wanted to open up another one for next Friday as quickly as I could while the premiums were still higher, because as many of you would know, the premiums are a bit higher the further out from expiration that you are. So that's exactly what I did here, and I'll show you guys exactly which one I got. Right now I have TNA pulled up and showing you guys the expiration dates for November 13th, which is next Friday. So I sold a put for $33.50, so I got $45 immediately debited into my account. Same thing as last time, as long as TNA stays above this strike price by next Friday, I will get my collateral release. So just over $3,300 at this strike price. So as long as it stays above that, then I'll get all my collateral back. If it does go below that, then I'll get assigned to have to buy 100 shares of TNA at the $33.50 strike price, which I wouldn't mind too much, but I feel pretty confident that I don't think that this strike price will be reached within a week. It would take a pretty hefty market correction to drop this far. You know, anything could happen, but I don't really foresee that happening. And that's just kind of it for like really the gist of this video. You know, nothing too crazy. The markets rose quite a bit, but I'm just going to continue with my strategy. It worked really well. I made it, you know, a 3% return on the entire portfolio in just a week's time. So I decided to play it a little bit safer for this next week. Open up a contract that's a lot lower instead of, you know, taking on a bit extra risk. I still think that it'll be good to generate some consistent passive income if I want to keep playing it safe. If the markets keep rising or if they fall, they would have to fall quite a bit for me to have to be assigned. And either way, then no matter what, I'm keeping the $45 that I got for opening a new contract. And that's all for today's video, guys. Make sure you guys are leaving a like and subscribing, following me along on my journey. I'm trying to turn this $3,000 into a 7-figure portfolio within a 5-year time frame. Obviously, I will be adding money into the account along the way, but for right now, this is just what I'm starting with, a very small portfolio size. And as you can see, you know, even with a small portfolio, I'm able to make some consistent passive income. And that's just kind of what I'll be replicating over the course of the next 5 years throughout the account. Also, if you guys don't have a Robinhood portfolio already, make sure you check out the link in the description. If you open one up with the link down there, then you'll be able to get a free stock once you open it. And if you want to send it to some of your friends as well, then every friend that you get to sign up will get a free stock then as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you have a good rest of your day.